Hi to the Skin Games and Skin Game judges. I'm Brenda Hogsett. This is week 3 of my open category hair restoration for the Skin Games. Let's take a look and see what we did for this week's treatment. I prepped the scalp with 50% alcohol and 4x4 SD wipes. This step removes surface impurities and disinfects the scalp, creating a clean canvas for the treatment. Next, I performed Hydrodermabrasion, which is a wet microdermabrasion to simultaneously exfoliate dead skin cells and extract impurities from the follicles. I used an exfoliation solution paired with a 60 grit tip and PSI of 12 for deep exfoliation. This solution has lactic acid, which exfoliates and hydrates, and kelp for soothing. Next, I prepped the scalp for microchanneling using benzalkonium chloride towelettes, wiping the area thoroughly, sanitizing the scalp and ensuring that it is free from any residue. Next, I performed Procell Therapies Microchanneling. Procell Microchanneling uses tiny surgical stainless steel tips to create thousands of tiny channels in the scalp to stimulate hair growth. Pairing the Procell device with their Hair System Serum nourishes the hair follicles, rejuvenates damaged hair follicles, increases circulation of nutrients, stops hair loss at the source, and increases absorption of the serums into the scalp. Using the Procell Therapies microchanneling device with a precision 0.50mm tip, I performed the treatment while applying the Procell Hair System Serum. The serum contains growth factors, which promote hair growth and restoration. Cytokine biosignals helps bring dormant follicles out of dormancy and rejuvenates damaged hair follicles. This step increases circulation in the scalp, enhancing the overall effectiveness of the treatment. Last, I set my model under the Lumara 1800R red light panel for 5 minutes. Utilizing 660 nanometer wavelengths and delivering 6,000 joules of energy, this light therapy aids in product absorption and promotes cellular regeneration in the scalp. Thank you for joining me for week 3 of my open category hair restoration of the Skin Games. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges and everyone watching. We will see you all at week 4.